All right, so this week we're learning about modeling division using both an array and an area model. So this is how we're introducing division. Like on problem 2, this says 25 divided by 4. So they are dividing 25 into 4 equal groups. So I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 to start off my array. So I'm dividing 25 among these 4 groups. So I'm at 4. I'm going to keep counting and making equal groups. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right, so, 25. So I am stopping at 25, and I'm going to look at the equal groups I was able to create. I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal groups. And then I have this guy in the corner. And this is the remainder because he's left over. He wasn't able to fit into any of the equal groups. So the quotient, or the answer to 25 divided by 4, is 6 because I was able to create 6 equal groups. And I have a remainder of 1. So that's the array model. The area model is having the students create a rectangle with a length of 6 and a width of 4. So if I make a width of 4 right here, I'll do this in a brighter color. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a length of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so I have my length of 6 and my width of 4. In the center, the number 24 is going to go because 6 times 4 is 24. Now, to represent the remainder, students need to just put a box on the outside because there's only 1 left over. They needed 25, 6 times 4 equal 24, and then the remainder was 1. So it says, can you show 24 divided by 4 with one rectangle? So the answer is no. And then explain how you put that remainder on the outside of the box. On the back side, these are some story problems, and this is how I suggest modeling them. This says Melissa has 43 toy soldiers, so I am going to highlight that. She lines them up in rows of 5. I'm going to highlight rows of 5 to fight imaginary zombies. How many of these rows can she make? After making as many rows of 5 as she can, she puts the remaining soldiers in the last row. How many soldiers are in that row? So this part of the problem is talking about the remainder, what we'll have after we're done. So I'm going to put 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to see how many equal groups of 5 I can make until I get somewhere around 43, until I cannot make any more equal groups. So you could count them individually, but they are rows of 5, so I'm just going to count by 5. So I have 5, 10, 15 toy soldiers, 20 toy soldiers, 25 toy soldiers, 30 toy soldiers, 35 toy soldiers, 40 toy soldiers, and if I make another row of 5, I'm going to have 45, and I only have 43 soldiers. So I'm going to put my 3 in that row. So the question is asking, the first question is, how many of these rows can she make? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first part of my answer statement is she can make 8 rows. And then they're asking if she puts the remaining soldiers in the last row. So here's my last row. How many are in that row? She has 3 in the last row.